I'm gonna get y'all up close and all in my business. The fact that the lace was already cut when I received this, A1. The fact that the lace melted into my hairline the way that it did, A1. The fact that this is such a high density wig, A1. So I'm back again with a closure wig. The company already pre-cut the lace, baby, so ain't nothing to it but to do it. Yeah, this gonna be a real quick and easy install. Okay, yeah, I got stuff to do, places to be, people to see. And the devil trying to hold me back. Yeah, like I said, this is a closure wig. And then you have like this silicone rubber strip that goes around the perimeter of this wig. So that goes to show that you can definitely wear this wig glueless. So I'm going to stuff my hand into this wig. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, yeah. But this is if you do not want to wear any type of glue or adhesive. I will be using a little bit of lace adhesive for this install, but I want to show y'all how it look prior to adding the glue if that's not for you. Alright, so I bleached my knots and I have conditioner on the hair. Ooh, look at those curls. I just wanted to show you guys the curls popping through. Let's do more of a little side shindig here. Okay, done. And that was what? Ready in 2 to 3 minutes. Here's the back. So full, really thick and curly. And I do like the tighter texture curls. So you see the curls popping through, making more realistic and believable for me. So yeah, here's option 1. Okay, so like I said, glueless, so you can easily take it off. No residue on the wig, no residue on your edges. And like I said, this wig is very airy. And you see all the space in between this wig. You see how you can just stick your fingers through and you're right through the cap and you're right through the wig. This is called an air wig. So if you deal with sweating and all of that, this wig is perfect for you. This here is their ultra thin lace wig cap compared to your usual. So if you want to put a wig cap on with this wig, so you can easily do that. But for me in this look, I'm just going to do without the wig cap. Wig back on. I'm going to go ahead and melt the lace. So I'm only going to put glue in front of my hairline. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt this lace into the glue. And the fact that this lace already came pre-cut, oh my goodness. I love it. Less work for me and you, honey. And I done got used to using pantyhose to melt my wigs down. They don't hurt my ear and stuff, so that's what I'm using here. All right, drum roll, please. Ooh, I melted that. Oh, they did it with this one. The lace was already cut. The hairline was pre-plucked. The lace melts into my skin effortlessly. And this is a closure. I love it. Don't worry. When God is already proven itself to you, He'll do it again. Put a part in it. He'll do it again. I want to leave it down, but I have to make this video a full video, so I'm going to go ahead and style it, even though this look really, really good. And then, baby, this is such a high density wig. Look at the thickness. Y'all, I got this dress from It's Fashion last year, and it was only $5. Look at the back. So cute, but baby, I have glitter everywhere. Glitter all over me. Glitter all over my seat. So I understand why it cost me $5 when it was like originally $27, something like that. But it is a glitter mess. Yeah. I'm gonna style it half up, half down. Okay. Hot comb just to define my part. I'm not trying to disturb my curls any. All right, now a little makeup to my part. So we can see it. Okay, that look good. Okay, so to sleek my ponytail, I'm gonna use wax stick. All right, now I'm going with a little leave-in conditioner. All right, I'm actually scared to pull this, so I'm gonna put this back on until I finish my ponytail. All right, now I can put this in a ponytail. Fluff it out a bit, and it's all about the ultimate melt. Let me use this melting spray here, put that right on my hairline, and I'm gonna tie it down one more time, and I'm gonna use a little bit of this. They're basically the same thing, but they're not. Put that right there. Get my curls and stuff popping through on this. One more time for the one more time. Make sure this is straight down. All right, I don't think y'all ready for this melt. Am I ready? All right. And we're gonna go for it. Woo-wee. Add just a little bit of makeup right here where my skin and the lace meets. See the difference between this side and that side? Oh, this is so gorgeous. All right, let me let y'all see. What do you think? For this to be a closure wig that you can wear glueless or you can melt it down, baby, yeah, I did that. I did that. They made this wig just for me. I think I want to just see if I can get some curls popping right here really quick. Like right up in here. Use some of my detangling spray. Okay, there we go. All right, here's the finished look. Let me get y'all up close and all in my business. The fact that it was already pre-plucked when I received this, A1. The fact that the lace was already cut when I received this, A1. The fact that the lace melted into my hairline the way that it did, A1. The fact that this is such a high density wig, A1. Yeah, I'm ready to go somewhere in my little hot dress. And it ain't even hot outside. I just wanted to wear my dress because it's been sitting in my closet for a year and I only paid $5 for it. Y'all see this? Of course you do, but do you see me? Do you see me? I love the length of this wig, and like shoulder length is perfect. I love the texture, the fact that the curls are a little tight, like you can see some of the curl definition along with like a little extra fluff at the top. It's questionable. And then I didn't even have to do any baby hair. This wig is definitely questionable if it's mine or not. You get all the perks in one. The wig comes ready to go. Whether you do it glueless, just plop it on your head and be about your merry little way, or unless you decide to melt it down for that extra security, that extra hold, or even if you want to style it and do a cute half up, half down style. Vacation me with this wig. Let me give it up one more time for the hairline. One more time for the one more time. Alright, that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know which option you're rocking with. Option 1 or option 2. So what I'm going to do is try to put it into a bun, but you know what?
Maybe I could do like that little bow people be doing.
Can I get it? Is that cute?